Good day, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. This is hive number 325 over here by the dead tree. There we go. This little split that we made. We made on, I think it was the 9th. They had a whole bunch of queen cells and only one made it through the cold. But anyway, we started it on 3/6/26. Split with the eggs brood, same as the others. And it was split from 4/27. On 3/9 we had one capped queen cell still in there. Saw one queen. And yesterday, we didn't go in it yesterday. And there they are. See what they're doing up there. Make sure there's no queen in there. No queen. So let's put them back in there. There we go. Smoker, smoker. We're going to go check around these today to see what smoke. See what they're doing as far as eggs. We won't be making any more splits for probably a week. We may just do grafting. I do not show grafting. You have to go some, Bob or that'll work. Or JC or Little Bits Honeybees, or some of those people that does it a lot and they got more than one person working with them. Okay. They're working on this foundation here. It's a plastic foundation. Okay, one reason I don't like plastic, and I quit using them once before, is you see this? See how they're building it out? Where I was raised, we didn't use plastic. Oh, y'all have no idea. But if you see this on your hive, get rid of it quick. Because if you don't get rid of it, it's just going to cause trouble. How you doing, Sam? Cause I've been doing this for 24 years. I'm not saying I know everything, but I know a few things. Okay. Now I did put wax. Everything has been waxed. It's just that some of these bees, they don't have good engineers. I don't know how they are. If you ever work with construction, you know what I mean. This one here has got some pollen, some nectar, a few bee cells on it still that's not hatched. Now when all the bee cells are gone, that was in here when I put these in here, and they are gone, there's a pretty good chance that I got bees, eggs. But let me finish looking first. Okay. See these eggs down here? There's a queen right there. And I look back in here and there is no eggs in there, or no broods in there. She should be laying. Some people say, well, she's been in there long enough, she's got to be mated. Nope, not. You see eggs in there, she's laying. And I like to see brood before I decide that. This one has places the queen can lay. It has food. Good looking little hive. Now it'll be 21 days before we call this one a hive. So you people that's bought your hives for April, due to the cold weather, the last bunch of cold weather we had, this could be your hive. Filled up with honey. You don't want it hanging off the edge and falling off. Building them up. Saw a beetle. We saw one beetle, didn't we? Yep. That's the frame I put in there yesterday, I think. Yeah. Okay, what we're going to do though, we're going to push this over here. And we're going to put this one. It had the wacky frame on it here. You might build it better that way. So we're still looking good. But this, you know, takes a while for the queen to hatch people when you weather it. Sam, we'll put these wax back in there. There is some wax. Yeah. Well, that's out. This one, like I say, it'll be a little while. We'll give them another week, 2 weeks before we go in and look at them again. We're probably going to be starting to get busy here. But y'all take care of yourselves. Give us your comments, your likes. Let me know what's going on with y'all. And we'll talk with you later. Bye.